Chalo, homework was there. Something homework was done. Yes, homework was done. All of you done. Yes, sir. You promised that. Today what happened? Sleeping. Yes or no, Arya? Chalo, okay. What was the homework? Three questions of homework questions. All of you done. Aditya, last class you are not there.
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
Sir, I was out of station.
Out of station, so you're back now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Homeworks are done.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, what about you? Homework is done?
No, sir. Sir, I didn't know the homework.
You don't know. Previous homeworks are done?
Yes, sir.
You are not there in the last class, no? Huh? Where were you? Huh? You had fever, you are unwell. Today, now you are okay. In this girl, you have done the homework? You. You are, no? This is the how many lectures you attended? One. This is second lecture. Krisha. You are Krisha, no? Ashita, where is Krisha is not there. Krisha is not there. Ashita is there. Homework is done. What was the homework? You looking there? What was the homework? So that you got that also you copied from someone? Huh? Then you don't know which is the homework only. Which homework means that there are a lot of exercises. Huh? Huh? From which exercise? 1.1. 1.1 is still not over. Homework exercise is over now. Yes, 1.1 is completely done. Yes, sir. Now what else left? We started 1.2.
Yes, sir.
Not even started.
We started
LCM and HCF is discussed. Okay. Now, any doubts? Homework doubts are there?
No, sir.
Question 4, you have a doubt. Ritika, what is the question 4?
Show that the square of any positive integer is in the form of 5m, 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4 or some integer m.
So A is equal to B cube plus R. What is the value B will take? 5. So A is equal to 5 cube plus R, where the R will be 0 less than or equal to R less than 5. Therefore, R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is equal to 5 cube or 5 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 2. Okay, 5 cube plus 3 or 5 cube plus 4. By the way, what do you have to show? Ritika, once again read. Show that.
So that the square of any positive integer is 5m.
Okay, 5m. I thought 5. If it is 5 cube means this you change it. M will be taken. Okay, so when A is equal to 5 cube square now, this is the first case. Case 1. Okay, A square is equal to 5 cube whole square. How much?
25.
25 cube square. Can be written as what? 5 times 5 cube square, which is equal to 5m now.
Yes, sir.
Then A is equal to 5 cube plus 1. Arshita, you have done this surely. What is A plus B whole square, Arshita? Sir will tell. She's saying sir will tell. So 25 cube square plus 2 into 10 cube plus 1. So what you can take? 5 can be taken common. 5 cube plus 2 plus 1. So it is also from 5m plus 1 na?
Yes, sir.
Huh? If you want to not get that. 5 cube plus 1. 0 to 5m plus 1. What happened? What is the problem? Tell na. Or rethink.
I'm confused.
What
with
is-
the last time?
This term.
No, I got that.
This one. And then what is a plus b whole square?
A square plus 2ab plus c
Square no. So a square 5q whole square is how much? What is the value of a?
as in 5q.
B
5.
5.
Value of b is 5 and a is equal to 5q plus
And then look here. This is a plus b whole square, na? Not that b. We are using identity here now. That B is over. That story is over. Now new story. Okay. A is equal to 5q. B is equal to how much? 1. We are applying a plus b whole square. You thought the a b is equal to 5. That b is over. Now here a plus b whole square. So what is it? A square. 25q square. 2ab. 2 into 5 into 1. 10q. Are you followed now?
Yes.
Or still confusion?
No.
Doubt is there. Those who are doubt, please ask. You don't have any doubt. So a is equal to 5q plus 2. Then what is again? A square is equal to 5q plus 2 the whole square. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value of A, Ritika?
5q.
B 2. So expand. Me, yes. Kaira, what is the name? Me. Nihira, Mihira. Oh, Nihira, whatever Ira will say. Oh, Niharika. Okay. And she's looking in the book. Then without looking the book, expand na.
25 plus
Don't do. I'm saying you're looking. I can see you.
20q plus
How do you get 20q?
a plus q square.
25q square plus 20.
20q plus
2 or 2 square.
2 square.
2 square. What's okay? From here, what you can take? 5 we can take no 5q square plus 4q plus 4. So which is equal to 5m plus 4. Okay. Huh? Ritika. दो तीन से बच्चे नहीं है ये नहीं अनमुच okay, so 5m plus 4 is it enough? Not enough. This is the third case. Now you have to do 5q plus 3. So 5q plus 3 whole square is how much? 25q square plus 30 plus 9. This one, how to do this one with this 9 can be as 5 plus 4 now? Ritika, you fought with your mummy and came?
No, sir.
You did not follow your mummy and found her, no? I think you fought. I think so. Yes or no? Look like. So this 5m plus 4 you got now. Okay, because 9 we don't 9 is wrong. Now what you have to do? 5q plus 4. 5q plus 4 whole square you take. All the cases you have to take. That is equal to 25q square plus 40q. Jadhav is there.
Yes.
Hey, are you giving any answer? No steps, nothing is telling you are no. What happened? You have to take all the cases. See from here 15 plus 1 I got. So 5 into what is 5q square plus 8q plus 3 plus 1. So 5m plus 1. So either it is 5m or 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 1. See, this is 5m. This is 5m plus 1. 5m plus 4. Yes or no? This also 5m plus 4. This is 5m plus 1. Are you followed? What is the doubt? Confusion again, Ritika? This P and this P is different, okay? Understood or not? Identity using at that time. Sure. All right, okay then. Problem solved. Okay, prime factorization all of you know?
Yes,
What are prime numbers this girl? What is your name? Hazel. Hazel, what is prime? What are prime numbers? Numbers? Huh?
Numbers I have.
Numbers are then fast, no slow motion, no, go fast, little more, speed up. Numbers are last class you were there, na? You wrote all these things. No, why? You wrote in your notebook now. Check in the notebook. What are these things written? You have to read and come now. Is it so difficult to learn? You have followed what is written. Are you following? Arey, Hazel, following or not? Speak now, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, what are prime numbers?
The prime numbers are the numbers which have one has a factor and number itself.
Well, you don't need to trouble numbers with two factors. Okay, numbers having how many factors? Exact factors are called prime numbers. Follow or not? What type numbers are not prime? What type of numbers? Huh? Consecutive numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers. What are numbers?
So which are more than two factors.
More than two factors. Next, please read and come all the thing. Yes. Then, how to find out the HCF of two numbers? Then do one thing. I will make it as as a policy that whatever is writing in the class, 10 times each. Everyone. Daily you write 10 times each. Is it ready? Okay. Next class onward that way I will keep it. Yes. EDF the factorization. Let's see if you did by factor. Prime factorization I given now. Yes.
So HCF?
Uh.
HCF of numbers is the smallest power of each common prime factor.
Yes, smallest power of each common prime factors present in the numbers.
Sorry, you want to find HCF?
HCF. Go.
So we can do with EDF.
You think by prime factorization means no, I will do by EDL only. Then, is Ritika? Then, I asked no, EDL is over. I asked you by HCF. Did I ask you for what is by prime factorization? Just now you said EDL, then I am how to do by prime factorization. No, you should know both the ways. No, or okay. The exam you will get the question both the ways. Okay, how do you find out the LCM? Loudly.
I haven't gone through.
Huh?
I haven't gone through what they have paid us.
You
Put
did,
on that.
you did not go through. Yes, Arya.
Sir, HCF is a product of the greatest power of each prime factor equal.
But Niharika, whatever. Okay. So when we go through this one, all of you stand up. Do you have time at home?
So,
What time you come from school? What time you come from school? You don't go to school? You go to school now? What time you come back from the school? Huh? 12 o'clock. School is very early. Which school? Balbali is till what time?
but today we had to
Your punishment.
No, sir, street play practice.
Huh?
We had street play practice.
You have a street play, all the plays are there. You also there to street play?
Everyone.
Everyone is there. So after that you have time? No time.
No.
What time you reach home? Where do you stay? Here only now. Okay. So you reach home at our UT classes are getting over at 6:30 now or 6:20. What time you reach home, all of you? 6:30, 6:45 or 7 o'clock. After that also your time now. Next day also time now. Is it difficult to this way? If you just come and sit over here, it will not. Other branches I completed the real numbers. Here we have completed one exercise. Responses are not coming from you all. That is a problem. It's not that just come over here, sit, work is done. You have to practice. You have to learn. This is how many times I have to tell. Now next class onwards, I am telling you. I'll make you to stay back over here. I am here till 8:30. I got other lectures are there. So I will. Those who are not able to tell, stay back over here. Here classrooms are there. I will come. Then the ICC will sit, you will be sitting over there. They also occupy only half the way, around 25 students only. Behind sit and study. Whenever study, come. Is it clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you please inform your parents. See, we are not, this is the one, service inform. Should I inform my side? Is there anyone need my information from my side to pass? For me, it's easy, I can inform the officer. Do I need to inform? No, either study and come or stay back. Decided. You have any problem? You have any problem? You have any problem? Any problem? Any problem? Any problem? Are you tell now if you have any problem? No problem. You sit down, all of you. Please. So if you see the page, how many lines are there? Count 6 or 7 lines only you have to read and count. And that will learn means I don't need exact definitions and all. At least, okay, what is it? It is the product of the smallest powers of all the common prime. It LCM. What is it? It is a product of the largest power of all the factors present. And there is a relation between HCF and LCM. What is the relation between HCF and LCM? HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. That property is not true for, or cannot be true for more than two numbers. These all things to study. We need lot of time. You tell me. Okay, if I give you a lot of paragraphs and all learning, that is something different. Please, without doing that one, you cannot just come over here and sit. Remember, okay. Now, once again, quickly, suppose if two numbers, factorization will not give. Suppose if it is given as 2 or 3 numbers, A, B, C. 2 square, okay, 2 square into 3 cube, into 5, into 7, 2 cube into 3, into 7 square. Okay, like 2 square into, let's say 3 raised to 3, into 5. All of you write what is HCF and LCM. All of you. LCM you don't need to multiply and find out. Tell that's what is HCF and LCM. Fast, fast. 1 minute only. Everyone. Written. Those who got the answer stand up. 1, 2. Others first. Only 2. Others are not getting. Those who got the answer stand up fast. What happened? LCM's product multiplication not required to write, but it's a simplification. Not getting. Huh? Not getting. What here? Did you get the answer? No. 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 Did you get the answer? To write this one in this much time required. Yes, what is the value of HCF we got? 2 square into 3. What is the value of LCM we got?
2 cube into 3 cube into 5 into 7 square.
To write this one, how much time you people needed?
7.
What? Hi.
7.
What? Did I tell you then my language? Now I could change the language. Or what did I tell? You write in the factors only. Did I ask you to multiply? Hey, keep quiet now. So did you hear? That means you are not following what I am telling. Mask is for the face only, not for the ears now. Sit down. See all the 3 mask people standing. I don't want to have mask. Look now. I tell you once again. Check those who have doesn't know. LCM means check this one. These 3 numbers. Which is the smallest power of 2? 2. Therefore 2 square. Okay, it should be common. Should be. Then this one. What is the smallest power of 3? 3 raised to 1 means 3. What is the smallest power of 5? Since 5 is not there, you don't need to take. What is the smallest power of 7? Nothing. That is over. Now, what is the LCM? Largest power, greatest power, 2Q. The greatest power, 3Q. Greatest power of 5, 5. And greatest power of 7, 7 square. For LCM, all the factors we have to take. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, even last class also, I think the same example I have given similar example. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
No, sir.
Anyone, those who have any doubts, tell me. Followed?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Yes.
Followed? I did tell na, if not followed, tell na.
Yes, sir.
Tell is guy, because mask is kept over there, I don't know what is. Huh? Nihira. Okay, chalo. Take out the open your volume. Open the volume. Exercise 1.2. All of you taken?
Yes, sir.
Page number 5.
5.
Question number 1. Kritika, read the question.
Each number as a product of its prime factors.
Okay, prime factorization you have to do. First number
3825.
3825. All of price 3825, 3825. Quickly do it. 3825. Factorize. Prime factorization. Does it go with the 2?
No, sir. First step to the
2 will it go 2?
No, sir.
Do not go. Do not how do you go 2? It's a, why are you looking behind? Will it go with 2? Is it? It's an even. Is it an even number or odd number, Ritika? The odd number has 2 is a factor. No. So directly you can see it is go with 5, na? Try with 5. Do fast. You know how to do. Tell her, don't worry. You see, don't know. But then those who don't know immediately tell. See, these are the 3%. Look here, all of you listen. Those who are unable to do. Now, once I say means later stage, all of you have to do it again. Okay, look, 3825. Does it go with 2? Do you know how to identify? Does it go with 2? If it is an even number, do you know how to find out it's an even number or not? Tell fast. You.
Yes, sir.
Arey, tell her how to find out it's an even number. Do you know? Don't know. Do you know how to find out? Do you know which are even numbers? Do you know how to find out it's an even number or not? Yes or no? No. You.
Yes, sir.
How to find out it's an even number?
At unit place 0 to
Unit place should be which is the unit place over here?
5.
5. This is the unit place. Unit place should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Understood or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
is it an even number?
No, sir.
No. Is it? So this is which type of number? Odd number. So even numbers only 2 is a common factor. Okay. If it is ending with 5, you can think about it's divisible by 5. Do you know how to check whether it's divisible by 3? Sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13 plus 5, 18. So it is sum is a multiple of 3, therefore it is. So it is, so you got 2 factors, automatically other will come. So look, 5. If I write 5 7s are 35. So 13, listen, all of you be quiet. Okay, now 35 plus how much you have to find out? 35 plus 3, so this 3 will come. 32. Then 32 means 5 6 are 30. Remainder plus 2 is coming. 30 plus how much is 32? The 2, 25. 5 5s are. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, followed. Next is again it's ending with 5, so 5s are. Okay, then it is 5 1s are. 5 plus 2 is 7. 26 means 5 5s are 26 plus 25 plus 1. 15. So it is 5 3 7. Are you followed now? Followed? Now, next is what? It is now there. I can take it as 3 as common. 3 5s are 15. Nothing left out. So 3 1s are. Again, I can take 3 as common. 3 1s are. Remainder 2. 21 means 7. 17 is a prime number. Therefore, when you write this one, it will be 3 square into 5 square into 7. I hope all of you are following. You people need to practice a lot at home. Okay, understood all of you? Please write down and continue. Second one.
Sir, done all.
Those who completed this one, start do the second one. 9072. Without mistake, all of you have to do it. What is it? First, little more speed up, okay? Not the, how many things were 2 things? Look at them, what is different square into 5 square. 9 square, 9 is a prime number. Prime factorization I have to do now.
Sir, done.
Also did not get, look here, 2s are 4, 2s are, remainder 1, 5, 3, 6. I think we got the same thing, 2. So it is 2, 2, 6, 8. Okay, again 2s are 1, 1, 3, 4. Again 2s are. So how much is coming as 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so 2s are over now. So you can see it is coming as 3s are. Okay, 3s are. So 3s are how much you will get as 1, 8, 9. Again 3s are. 3s are how much you will get? 6, 3. Again 3s are. 2, 1. Again 3s are. 7. 7 is a prime number 1. And your answer will be 9072 is equal to least 1. 2 raised to how much? 4. Into 3 raised to 4 into 7. This should be your answer. This order should be written. I hope you all are getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But we always try to write in the smaller group, ascending power order. Right? Okay. That is okay, but better always write it. Small to order here, you can change the order, no problem. That is not. But while writing the answer, you can change it. Right? What is the next one? 140. I've already said 140 how to do it. 1 0 means 1 2 and 1 5. So 1 0 will go, it is 40. Then factorize 2s are 7. Ritika got the answer. What is the answer he got? Oh, 7. So 2 is how many times? 2 square into 5 into 7. I hope all of you got the answer.
Yes.
Okay, this one you please practice. If you need more questions to practice, I will give you. But this one you need to. Okay, question number 2. Read the question.
find the LCM and HCM of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCM is equal to product of the two numbers.
So first you have to find out LCM, you have to find out HCM, and you have to do the verification. LCM into HCM is equal to product. So 510 and 92. Factorize. All of you do. A 510 and 92. A is equal to 510. Factorize. B is equal to 92. That also factorize. Do it fast. Vedant getting the answer? Aditya getting the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On 5, so how did you get this 12? 5 and 2 is taking 51 minutes. 2, 4, 6, 4. That will be 1, 5, 1, 2 is coming, the left out is 51 will come now. From 5 and 0, 1, 2 and 5 is removed means 1 minute. It is actually, it is coming as 1, 0, 2, not 1, 12. If you are dividing. So look here, that is why look 510, you can do this way. See 510. Ending with 10 means always remember 1, 2, and 1, 5. Left out is 51. It's easier way to do. And what is it? 3s are 1, 7. 1. Perfect. No? Follow or not? So 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Meera, are you followed? You see, look, when I did this one, you got out. Look here, 640. How many zeros are there? All of you stop writing and listen. 640 is ending with how many zeros? 1, 0. If 1, 0 means which are the factors? 2 and 5 are always factors. Suppose if there are 2 zeros are there. 2 2s and 2 5s. You can write this way directly. 2, 2, 5, 5. Then what is left out? 2 zeros will go 60. Are you followed? Read 10, you know how to factorize, Neera? 2 and 5. 100, how will you factorize? 2, 50. 2, 25. 5, 5. Are you followed? So 1, 0 means 1, 2 and 1, 5. Directly you can take it will come 1. 2 zeros means 2 2s and 2 5s directly. Are you followed now? Yes or no? Loudly tell yes sir. Fine. Okay now. So that is easy. Other way also you can do, but you will make mistakes sometimes. Okay. Now 92 all of you factorize. Factorization done. Done the factorization. 2s are how much? 46. 2s are 23. Nothing else. So what did you get? 2 square into 23. This much all of you followed? Okay. Here this boy, second last. Tell me what is HCF? HCF. HCF is for one number.
So HCF will be
Look how we 2. Yes or no?
yes.
Because that is all. 2 only, nothing else is repeating. Okay. Next. You, what is LCM? 2 square into 5 into 3 into 2. Tell in order. 2 square into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Yes or no? 2 square into. So multiply. How do you find out? Arshita got the multiplication. 2 square, do you know how much? 4 3s are 12 5s are 60. 60 into 17. 17 6 are 102. So 102 and 23 multiply. 102 and 23 multiply.
Two, 3, 4, 6.
2 3 4 6 and 1 0 also is there now.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Multiply and 2 3 4 6 0. You have to do it. All of you have to do it. I will. It's not just copy from the board. Now, after getting HCF and LCM, we have to verification. So you have to verification means you have to find out HCF into LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Multiply. 0 will come, 6 to 12 will come, 4, 8, 9 is coming, 6 is coming, 4, 6, 9 to 0. Now product is equal to, you multiply which one? 510 into 92. Multiply and check what did you get?
Sir, it's both.
You multiplied?
Yes, sir.
Where you multiply? What happened now? And what is 2 square? 2 square is how much? 3 sir. Now please tell now. 12 5 sir. 60 10 will come now. 60 into 17 is 1020. Understood or not? You multiplied 102 into 23 now. See if it look 17. If it is look, if 70 into 6, how do you multiply? 7 and 6. I put 1. Verified. So this is equal to 46920. Therefore, answer is HCF into LCM is equal to product. So verification. So now, I hope all of you following. Only factorization and calculation is a yes or no. I don't know this. Okay. Second question, all of you do it. 336 and 54. Nobody will shout the answers. I will come and see everyone. Same method. 336 and B is 54. Same way, find out HCF, LCM, then verification. All of you, factorization. Without mistake, please do it. And if you have doubts, immediately, I'm not followed, I cannot do it. You tell them, don't worry. This factorization is the right step. Okay. That is not the step. What is it searching? Still here. Yes, so no. After one factor,
So 1 minute.
redo, not that. Redo once again. Why did you cut it?
So 1 second.
So what you do it, not we take that. Okay. Okay. This is the one. Ask him who are police for it's a smaller power. One now, here only you serve. Here only you serve. 4. So which is the smallest one? 1, 2 is 1. Now take 3. 3 combination. 3 combination. Smallest. 1. So it's 1. That's good. LCM is what largest combination. 2 is 4 and 2. 2 is 4. 3 and 3 cube. Okay. Understood. Followed? 3, 4, 4 is 4. Let's say, no. Who verified? Yeah. Okay. You have to improve in the exams, you know, this only, I am telling you everyone, the speed has to be increased. Okay, it's double the speed you need. Now, everyone, I'll ask one by one. Hazel, no? So Hazel, tell me what is 336? Factors, tell now. 2 raised to
4.
3. 3 into 7. Okay, next another one. Tell 354. 2 into 3Q. Okay, next. Ritika, HCF. Mine is not.
Sir, but I
2 into 3, 6. Okay, then who is it? LCM. 2 power cell, 2 raised to
4
Yeah.
into 3 cube into 7.
into 7. What is the answer for?
3024.
3024.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how many of you got this answer?
Sami.
Sir, got the answer.
You got fact. You got the answer now. What multiplication you can do?
I'm just multiplying it.
This only you got now. Multiplication. Scared or speak loudly now. I think your factorization is correct now. So this one. Okay, now next is after that HCF into LCM makes 6 into 3024 is equal to
18.
double 4. Product will be automatically, it should come the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Ritika, what was the mistake?
I just did the
The factorization, you also made mistake
so
now.
I didn't write it.
In the exam, who will come and tell you this? No. Okay. Oh, Madam Harshita, what is happening? Double silly mistakes.
Sir, what is the mistake?
Which question is it? 18, 1, 1, 2, 56. So 56 divided by 2 is how much? 28 now. How 48? 2. And remaining. Yes or no? This is all. Then on. Okay.
But what is the mistake?
And this is correct now. This is correct. 2 into 3. Okay, be careful. Because one mistake means everything goes wrong. Teachers will check in the main answers. All of you followed
Yes, sir.
only factorization. If you feel I'll give questions to factorize and learn. How many factorization questions you need today?
Sir, number 6.
No, it says how many are there? So there are factors are there. Please do, there are questions. 5 questions are there now. You factorize and learn it. Because these ones.
So only the fourth question.
Let's complete the question number 3. Read the question. Arya was so active last year. Next year becomes read loudly.
Yes, sir. Find the LCM and the LCM of the integers here by applying the prime factorization method. Also verify that the three numbers LCM into here is equal to product is true or not.
Okay. So basically we know it may not be true now. 3 numbers. That property is always true for how many numbers? 2 numbers. So what are the 1 numbers? A is equal to 7. B is equal to 13. C is equal to 19. Do you have any? And always know what is the least value of HCF? Least value of HCF? 1. Okay. Now can you factorize 7? 7 is this all. So what is HCF now? 1. Okay. There is nothing common between them. Always it is 1. What will be the LCM? 7 into 13 into 90. So do it. All of you do it. Fast, fast. Followed. Are you tell na? If not followed, tell na. Okay. Then, because this cannot be factorized. Quickly, let's see who is going to multiply first and huh? No? No, without mistake. Okay.
One 1729.
Fast one.
1729.
13 sevens are 91. 91 into 1 into 1729. So 1 into 1729, that is equal to 1729. This one, how much is this one? After that, product is equal to how much? So 7 into 13 into 90, which is equal to also 1729. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
So they here it is both the same. Therefore, it is true. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, because here the three numbers were prime numbers, that is right. Okay. Other day I have given one more. You already said something. Okay, tell me quickly what is the second part of this question?
20, 18, and 75.
20, 18, 75. Yes or no? Who will tell the factorization of 20?
2 into 2 into 5.
2 square into 5 now. Who will tell the factorization of 18? Oh, very good. 2 into 3 square. Yeah, very good. Who will tell the factorization of 75? 25 into 3 now. 3 into 5 square. Okay. All right. Who will tell the HCF? Raise the hand. Who will tell the HCF? 1, 2, 3. Okay, tell. One. Nothing is common now. 1. Who will tell the LCM? Raise the hand.
2 square into 3 square into 5 square.
2 square into 3 square into 5 square. Should I multiply for you people? Easier way I'll tell you. 2 3s are 6 5s are all squares. 900. Or even directly also it's nothing. Okay, 2 square is how much? 4 into 2500. Interchange that, right? Okay. Now what will be? What is the? Now we can see what is it? LCM HCF into LCM is 1 into 900, which is equal to 900. Check what is the product. 20 into 18 into 75. Who will multiply and tell? Let's see. I got the answer. Product. Tell me who will give the answer first.
Two 700.
Wait, na.
27,000.
Yes. Look now. 75 into 2, 150. 150 into 18. 15 into 18 needed, or 150 into 2 is 300. 3 9s are 27. Short ways, if you know. Is it both are equal? No. Okay. Now look here. Here also HCF was 1. But they are not equal. If it was previous one, it was equal because both were prime numbers. Okay. Understood, all of you? Okay. Time over now.
Yes, sir.
Homework exercise, homework questions, you have to do it as question 1, 2, yes, 1 and huh?
So 1 and
Homework questions, homework exercise 1.2, question numbers, which one? 1, 2. What there are, okay. And the last class I have given something, nobody reminded me. Who found out?
sir.
Okay. Leslie, you should tell now what? Huh?
So for example,
What are cooperands?
two numbers which are one has the LCM.
Yes, if the two numbers whose common by high HCM is one is called cooperand. All of you followed? Yes, who can tell twin prime?
A prime number that is either 2 minus or 2 plus of another prime.
Consecutive, like consecutive prime numbers.
Five, seven.
Difference between the prime numbers is 2.
Yes,
That is called twin prime numbers. Are you followed? 5 and 7.
Five and seven.
Whereas 7 and 11 are not.
yes, sir.
Okay, 11 and 13 are prime numbers, they are twin prime numbers. 13, after 13, which is the next prime number? 17. They are not twin. Differences. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Co-prime numbers means what? HCF is 1. It's important thing. And twin prime numbers means difference between the prime numbers is 2. 2 and 3 are twin prime?
No, sir.
No, because the difference is equal to 1. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
So पहले क्लास में
second one is
साथ में नहीं है?
second next to पहले 3 क्वेश्चन कराए और ये होमवर्क दिया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन
Evening. Okay. Is everyone here? Someone's outside on a break. All right. Is this the usual class strength or I feel someone is missing? Is this the class strength?
Yes.
This is CBSE 10, right? All right. I have few questions as usual. We'll begin with today. Luckily, we won't be drawing ticket items. We'll be going to design. So before that, quickly answer my questions. We'll start with there were a few new girls, right? Whom I should absent class. She was absent last class.
Yes.
You three are new. I will ask you some simpler questions, hoping that you can at least relate to those questions. Rest, you were also new. Is this your first class? This is your first class?
I did this in the first class this time.
Okay, so my first question goes to you, I guess, and we'll start like this. Tell me, there's a mirror, okay? Every time I keep object, anywhere I keep it, like at F, at beyond C or between, so anywhere if I keep it, the image that I get is erect and always diminished. Every time anywhere I keep it, I get a diminished image, and it is always erect. What kind of mirror am I using? Okay, can you give me the reason why is it convex? Image is diminished. Is that like will come to you? Okay, she has partially given. Please, if you have some added details. What's your name? Ritika. So Ritika gave me answer that the mirror we are using is convex, and the reason is the image is diminished. We'll skip all of them and move to you. Can you tell me your answer? Is she correct, by the way? Do you think you also go along with her? Is it convex mirror? Okay, reason? She has already done one point. If you want to add something more to it, you can tell me. My question is, I have used X mirror. That's what CBSE uses. Mystery question. Like I am using mirror X. Okay. I keep my object at any position in front of that mirror X. I keep changing position of my object from the mirror. No matter where I keep my object, image is always erect and image is always diminished. Using these two information, tell me what kind of mirror am I using? She told me that the mirror I am using is convex mirror. I asked her what is the reason. She said because image is diminished. So, of course, my first counter question would be, for concave mirror, do I not get diminished images? I do that. So, can I accept her reason completely? No, there has to be some added reasons to that. So, what else is the reason? So, and think if her answer is also correct or not, because I have not specified. You also go with convex mirror, but then some reason needs to be added if you're going with her. You were there in previous classes. What's your name, by the way, beta? Arush. Is good for you?
Sure, I was there.
So, Krishna, do you have some added reasons? If your answer is also convex mirror?
Just convex, but I think for many reasons, right?
Okay, over here.
Because of diversion of phase.
Divergence of phase will do what? Can you elaborate?
They make it smaller because of the damage.
So you also are giving same reason that she is giving, that image is diminished. But am I? What's the question that I'm asking? Do we not get diminished image in concave mirror?
But it is always diminished.
So this can be one thing, that it is always diminished no matter where I keep it. That is only in the case of this thing. So not just divergence, but this part as well. The also other thing that you have to specify, you can use as reasons. In this case, what kind of image am I getting?
Yeah.
Erect image. In case of concave mirror, what kind of image do I get? Inverted. The only one case where I get erect image is what? Magnified, if you remember. We'll go to the, like I know last class I was trying to correlate, but then I did not have time, so I messed it up. But then today we'll go through and see why and what I was saying. So answer is clear. Reason should be elaborate. Our answer is clear. The mirror that I'm using is which mirror? Convex mirror. Since this is my third or fourth class, I want to remember names so that it is easy. Ritika told me, we'll go like this. Your name, please, beta. Your name, I know you told me right now. Arush, Ritika, Kushal, Samit, Samarth, Darshit, Hazel. Hazel? Okay, Hazel is new coming for the first time. Hazel, if you have any questions, do let us know. If we can answer in this class, we can, otherwise in next class. Actually, you were there for all the classes, right? Yes, right? Okay, Saina, Cheshta. I think you all were there for the last class. Cheshta, Indira was not there in last class. Janvi.
Arya was the first or not the last.
Okay. Arya. Yes, okay. So, today we'll be doing all numericals part. Before moving to this numerical part, we will be seeing how and why we got that table, so that forever we remember. Last class I was trying to map it, but I did not have time. So let's see what are the three things we see. So my object position, my image position, and kind of image that I get. Okay. What happens when I keep my object farthest? How far can I keep my object from the mirror? Infinity. So if I keep my object at infinity, now we are speaking only for concave mirror, because for this we need to remember the whole chart. So the farthest that I can keep my object is infinity. And if my object is at infinity, rays are hitting the mirror in what way? They are hitting the mirror plane with not plane, the concave mirror parallelly. And where do I get the object? Where do all those rays be? Focus.
Focus.
Okay, we have someone online. I am so sorry. Okay, we missed Aditya and Vedant. Okay. So object is at focus. Okay, and since it is at focus, we know very well what kind of image are we getting. It is highly diminished. So diminished. So the farthest that I can keep my object is infinity. Please listen to this word. And the closest the image is formed is at F. Okay. The farthest is the object. The closest is the image in this case. Okay. So it is at focus. Now, as I come closer towards the mirror, now this is my pole. This is my C. This is my F. So after infinity, how close do I get? I then go somewhere which is beyond C. So as I'm going closer, my image will move away. Okay, are you getting what I'm trying to say? So if you remember this logic, if it was farthest, image is at F. But as I move closer, my image will start shifting away. So where will it land for this case now where my object is beyond C?
Between C and F.
It will come between C and F. Then my object is beyond C. Okay. Now let's go further closer. Now I keep my object at C. Where will my image go?
At
It is
C.
here. So if it is at C, image is also at C. Now if I go further close, where will my image be?
Beyond C.
Beyond C.
If it is between C and F, it is beyond C. And I know what is now the closest after this. Now I can go closer at F, right? Then how far can it go after beyond C? What is the farthest?
Infinity.
I'm keeping my object at F. My image is at infinity. So for this case, a student in other class asked me, how can we draw for this case when the object is at F? Let's say this question is asked to you in your board exam that object is at F for concave mirror. Please show by ray diagrams the image formation. If, did I give this as a homework? So please show me. Object at F I want to see. Okay, so two parallel rays. Did you get two parallel rays? Yes. No. Okay, good. क्या हो गया? Everyone has signed. So if you okay, two parallel lines. Object at F. Yes, answer parallel lines. Yes, because that is object at F. Yes, that's the object at center. I'm seeing even I got that. Okay, such a good question. I answered this question in last class. You both there is that F object at F. Okay, those two parallel lines. Okay. Object at F. Okay, please girls, from this object at F. That's your object at F. And object at F. You showed me, right? Okay. I for the ones who did not draw it, and for the ones who did not get the answer, and I think some of them have some doubts with respect to ray diagrams, for which I have already answered, but I would want others to answer who were there. First question, let's see if the object is at focus. Then I know my object will shift beyond. It was already beyond C. Then what is my answer? Infinity. Okay. I am putting this star mark. I will draw this. Now let's go ahead and finish that table. If I'm moving further closer, now is there anything beyond infinity? My object was, my image was already at infinity in the previous case. I am moving further closer now to the mirror. So what happens? As I'm moving further closer, now it will shift and try to form image on this side. Is this clear? Because abhi beyond infinity ke to kuch hoga hi nahi. तो बेचारे image को shift करना पड़ गया. So as you move closer, then your image is formed on what do you call this? Behind the mirror.
Behind the mirror.
Is this clear? Is this part clear?
and this kite, we will see what is happening. In case in that, even you can answer this. So first case, I know when it was focus, when image is formed at focus, all these are meeting, it is highly diminished. Okay. Then this one object comes slightly closer beyond C. Image is formed at C and F. Vedanta,
Diminished.
yeah, it is slightly diminished. It is not highly diminished, but it is still diminished. And we know if it is at C, then image is also at C. And what is the size?
Same.
Same exact height. So what is happening to my size now? If you see highly diminished, slightly bigger, same size, then what will happen? Slightly diminished. No, now magnified at infinity. Just imagine if it is going at infinity, God knows where it will be. It will not actually, but if it meets, then the size
Highly
will be
enlarged.
highly magnified, right? And in this case, all of these cases were where rays actually meet, right? So we call them real. If they actually ever meet, it will be real. But you go further closer, it shifts and goes behind the mirror. What kind of image do we call?
Virtual error.
And what is the special thing about this? This is virtual as well as erect. But in all these cases, they were all inverted. You have seen your ray diagrams, right? So they all were what? Inverted. In case you know, real images are always inverted. So there's no need to write that in case you remember this. But if you understand the logic for this chart, you can quickly fill this chart and never go wrong. Why is this chart important? Because when a question is asked randomly, with you given B value, U value, and asked to draw, this chart helps to find whether you are right with your answer. Yes, for this one, we have to draw ray diagrams. So if my object is at F, then I will use those two rays to find my image location. The two rays being, one hits the mirror parallelly. After reflection, it passes through. Okay. The other one is, if the ray hitting passes through center of curvature, then if the incident ray is such that it is passing through center of curvature, the refracted ray traces back the same path. This looks divergent, but when you draw it, actually they both will look parallel rays. So these two rays will look parallel, and we know what is our answer for image location. Whenever these two reflected rays meet, the image will be formed there. If they ever meet, since I get parallel rays, I will just leave it like that and say that image will be formed at infinity. Is this clear? This is the ray diagram for this focus part. She had a doubt with respect to yes. So the doubt was when she, I'm sorry. So when she drew ray diagram for object at C, after drawing, her location was not coming exactly below C. It was slightly before C. So I think we discussed this, and I told you where you need to fix, because no way you can go wrong in this measurement, because we have already said that this should be equal to this, right? I hope you did that, right? It seems you have done that, but in last class I made you draw something with a wrong shape of this curve and then asked you, did I do this one?
Yes,
I did that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that you go wrong, so that you realize where you went wrong, and during examination, if you get at C, you specifically make sure that this shape matters a lot. The way you make your curve can get you right or wrong answer. So how did I ask you to draw this concave mirror? A good curve one or a subtle one? So make sure you draw a bit subtle curve and try to redraw, okay? And check if you get it, okay? This was done in this class,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So that is why that is happening. You're not wrong anywhere over here. I'm pretty sure you have not gone wrong over here also. So that's the curve thing, and I am happy that you did realize this before your examination date. So this is done. The table I hope is clear.
Yes.
We'll move to the major part. We will be doing, since we saw what's the whole purpose of mirror, finding the image and its image type, image location. And since physics is all about mathematics, we know a formula, not a formula, basically we know a relation between image distance and object distance, and the relation is, there's no need for you to derive that because they're straight away given you. The relation is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So in this, v, u and f denotes specific thing, it means specific thing. I am using concave mirror for this reference. So a concave mirror. What is this point called? Okay. I should have not used this easily. Okay. So in this case, where will I keep my object? This side or that side?
Left side.
Left side, because this is the plated portion and this is the non-reflecting surface. So my object is on this side. Okay. So this V and U and F has denotation. F is it's kind of very clear to us. F means something to do with focus. It is focal length. And what is focal length? Focal length is distance between pole and the focus. Okay, so this is my F. What is my V? What is my V? What is my V? Okay, I thought it's like
Image.
this. Yeah, so U is object distance and V is image. I'm so sorry. Actually, I was doing VU in just now in previous class with respect to velocity and all. That is why I was shocked, like, and then I realized we are doing this mirror. I'm so sorry. So this is object distance and this is image distance. Object distance from what again? We are having some fixed reference point. So the distance of object from pole. That is what now? U. Okay. And what will be my V? And for this case, where is it? Beyond C. Where is my image form? Between F and T. Okay. So in this particular case, so I'm just drawing it enlarged for reference purpose. It is not enlarged too. So this is my image location. I will use some other color actually. And what will be my image distance? Again, my fixed point is what? P. So with respect to pole, this is my P. Okay. This is the formula which is stated. So what we have to take care in this formula is what we will discuss. V is image, U is object, F is focal length. This is your mirror. The line, this pole point, we consider this as straight line which is passing through pole. And just imagine if this looks like x-axis and y-axis. Okay. And my pole represents my 0. Okay. Everything on this side would be what? Positive. Everything on this side would be what? Negative. Right? Everything above this will be what? Positive. Everything
Positive.
below this will be what?
Negative.
For this particular case, okay, for this particular case, this is my object, okay, and this is my U. Okay, is U positive or negative? Negative. Negative. So formula remains this, but in case I'm solving a question and then they say that object is kept 2 meters in front of concave mirror. In front of concave mirror. If you are using this formula, will you just put 2? No, you will put what? -2. Is that clear? Again, this F is what? On this side. So my focal length is also what? Negative. Okay, is this clear? Now see the image. Image is inverted. Image is inverted, right? In this case, image is inverted. So my image height, if I say this is my image height is called h dash and object height is called h. I'm so sorry. Okay. It's like h denotes height, right? So h for object, h dash for image. So image height is what? Positive or negative? Image height is positive or negative? So negative height means image is inverted. Okay. In this case, height is what? Positive.
Positive.
So yeah, this is positive. Okay. Because on y-axis, right? Height is on y-axis. So what I'm trying to tell you that this is concave mirror. For concave mirror, object will always be on this side. So this is by u for this case is always negative. Okay. And my f is also what? Negative. And the image, of course, in this particular case, it is formed here, so it is also on negative side. But if I had gone very close, I know my image would have formed somewhere over here. So then my v value would be positive. So that positive negative is to be followed as per the sign convention. We call this sign convention. What do we call this? Sign convention. Okay. In some in other class, a student asked me, what if, ma'am, instead of the reflecting surface facing this side, the reflecting surface for the same mirror was facing on that side. What should we do in this case? Because in this case, my focus will be on this side. Where will I keep my object? Of course, on this side. So object is also on this side. Okay. So he said, what should we do now? The question came like that because I said that for concave mirror, focal length is always what? Focal length is
Negative.
always what? Yeah, it is always negative. The reason if you follow this sign convention, I'm drawing on Chotu sa and I'm trying to show you something. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to show is that this is your concave mirror, and if I draw convex mirror, it would look something like this. Following the same sign convention, this is my convex mirror. Okay. And for convex mirror, where is my focus?
Right hand side.
It is behind the mirror, right? Because rays fall and they diverge, and it seems that they all come from where? Focus, which is behind the mirror. So, if you follow sign convention, what does that mean? Object is kept on this side, okay? And my mirror is like this. And the reflecting surface is always on this side. So, if you follow sign convention, if not you have to follow sign convention. So, if you're following sign convention, you will see that if f is negative, then what kind of mirror am I using?
Concave.
Concave mirror. If f is positive, what kind of mirror am I using?
Convex.
Is this clear? So in your question, many a times they do not even specify what kind of mirror it is. They will simply write, if a mirror of focal length plus 2 meter is used and an object is kept 3 meters away from it. So you have to, it should hit to you, okay, it is plus, then it is my convex mirror. If it is minus, it is this. And if something like this is trying to trick you, then you still follow the convention. For this case, I will, although my focus and everything has changed, but this is just to trick you. The sign convention stays same, formula stays same, and what will I do? Now my f will become, in this case, I will make my f positive, right? Although it is which mirror?
Concave.
But why am I following this? Because I stick to the things that we do. If everything is done ulta, then I will also do ulta. So this is positive. Object, what is this? U. U is also what now? Positive. Okay. So I follow the same thing that I have been taught. either in this case or that case. But if your question is straight away saying that I am using a mirror of focal length minus 2 meter, then they are following sign conventions. That is why they are using this. And if I am saying everything with respect to sign convention, then I have to follow this and this, not something ulta. Is this clear? Is this part clear?
Yes, yes.
Why if focal length is negative, concave mirror, if focal length is positive, it is convex mirror. And what is negative, what is positive, I think that it becomes a piece of cake because we are just using XY that we use in geometry. Shall we move ahead and solve some questions with respect to this formula?
Yes.
It's only one person there. You are okay, right? Everybody will start. Where is this? Okay. So let me take. Can you give me what is okay? We'll take one question from volume. Then we'll take one question from NCR. Everybody is following NCR, right? In schools. Yes. We'll take one from there as well. Yes. Question. If somebody has reached question part, then please. Yeah. Okay. Page number 40. Okay, we'll take the easiest one, and you tell me what is U V for this question, and we'll start to solve formula. We'll start solving it for the next part. The question is page 40, year 2017-18, question 12. Everybody is having volume?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody is having volume, right? Okay,
Yes.
you can take this one. And if you can come on this side so that I can check question and write it on this. One of you can read the question. I will leave this table so that we can cross-check our answers.
An object is kept 40 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the position.
Okay, completed.
Find the position and nature of the image. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image in this case.
Okay, so let's do first thing. Mirror is concave mirror. I have drawn concave mirror. Where is the object kept?
40 centimeter.
40 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay. This is, let's say, object 40 centimeter. And what is the focal length of this mirror? 20 centimeter. Okay. I guess you now know the answer as well. This is focus and this is at 40, double of focal length. What is this location if you know? If my object is at C, where is my image?
C.
So what should your answer be for B? 40. You know the answer, but now we have to mathematically solve it. What is, how do we denote object distance? Which letter do we use? U. So U is how much? U is how much? 40 by sign convention?
minus 40 centimeter.
Minus 40.
Minus 40 centimeter. We have to find B. I don't know what is B. How much is F now?
Minus 20.
So minus 20 centimeter. And I certainly know my answer should also come in minus. And how much should be my answer? Minus 40 because C, so C pe banta hai. We saw this, right? If it is at C, image is also at C and F, right? And this is at F. Okay, yes. So the formula is 1 by B plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. I need to find 1 by B. So I can rewrite this as 1 by B is equal to 1 by F. So ये side चला जाएगा तो minus 1 by U. You can solve it on your own. And or else, let's stick to that. Let's solve it. 1 by B plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. I am solving here. You should solve it in your book and let's see if we together find the same answer. Okay? Because we already know the answer. to solve this, I rewrite this. I will write it over here. 1 by b is nothing but 1 by 40 minus 1 by 20 becomes divided by 2 minus 1 by 40 is 1 by b. So we take reciprocal. So b is equal to minus 40 centimeter. Did you all go through the same steps? And if you are not clear with any one step, please let me know. Even I have done elaboration by doing this part. You can do shortcut as well. Okay. So please put the units in there. It is centimeter. Put it in there. Not put centimeter. By then, can I see? And they have asked you to draw ray diagram. I for now know that you can never ever go wrong with this thing. When object is at C, you can redraw it. Please do not put 20 centimeter as your ray diagram focal length. Okay, you will not be able to go beyond. Okay, we'll take one question with respect to this is X. Sorry. Let me see if we have something with respect to convex mirror. Yes, we have. 16th question. A 5 centimeter tall object is placed. Vedant and Aditya, did you get the same answer for this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to the next question. Page 40 of volume 2 and question 16. Question 16, and I think now you can read that question. You don't have volume numbers. So how are you solve it? Please share with her. You come and sit next to her. So we are solving question 16 now. Can you read the question? Question 16.
A 5 centimeter tall object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position, size, and the nature of image formed.
Okay, so first point that we have to see which kind of mirror. Which mirror is it?
Convex.
So I draw my convex mirror. Okay, done. What is the second thing I need to check? What is my focal length? Because I have to mark that point. What is the focal length mentioned? So where will my focal length be? Can you tell me? This
Right
side.
side.
It is this side. So this is 15 centimeter. This is my focus. Is this clear? This part. What's the other thing that we need to see?
5 centimeter tall object.
Okay, so I need to know my V value, U value, and F value because these are the three things for the formula required. As of now, I know this value, which is plus 15 centimeter. Which of this is given, V or U? U. What is the object distance?
30 centimeter.
Where will I keep it, here or there?
Right side.
How much did you say?
30 minus 30.
Okay, so this is over here and it is nothing but minus 30 centimeter because it is on this side. So U is minus 30 centimeter. They are asking me to find V. Which kind of mirror is this? I know my image will be formed on which side? Right, always on this side. So my answer, at least I know what kind of sign should I get, plus or minus? Plus sign, right? Please use the formula and see if at least you get plus sign, and then we'll see if all of our V's values are same. Okay, 1 by B plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. After some time, I will start solving. Let's see if your answer and my answer is same. Please put the given information. Draw a rough sketch of the diagram. Always forget that please draw it. Even for 6 questions. Yes. You got the answer? Friends, check all the calculate. Yes. Yes. Actually, it's check. And this is constant. So I have to check for that. Good. Yes. Yes, good. Fine. This is all, but I do not want to apply the error. Three. And with units, please. Yes, units, please. Good. Good. So, I'll write the answer and I'll show where some of you can go wrong. Because one of them went wrong. So 1 by V is what I need to find. Vedant and Aditya, did you get answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your answer?
Ma'am, mine is plus 10 cm.
Aditya, what is yours?
Ma'am, 30.
Plus 30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see which is correct. Okay, where you can go wrong in such cases. What is my U? 1 by minus 30 is equal to 1 by plus 15. So I'm not putting anything. I want to find B, right? So I'll put this side. इसको अकेला करेंगे, LHS की साइड को अकेला करेंगे, ये वाली टर्म को ये साइड भेजेंगे. ये साइड पे जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? Opposite of this side. But what happens is you make this as minus and you write 1 by 30. Then that's not correct. Because there is this plus becomes minus, but you can't change sign of this one because this is the whole term. So instead of doing this, then it should be minus and here also minus 30. And then minus minus plus over actually here plus 1 by 30 आता. So why you should not do this? Because here where you went wrong, once you are done with the formula, the first thing you should do is simplify this to and solve यहाँ का पहले क्या हो रहा है. So this plus and minus will become what? Plus into minus is minus. So I will solve this thing and here minus and only 1 by 30 remains and this is 1 by 15. Okay. Now this minus 1 by 30 will go on this side and will become what?
Plus.
Plus 1 by 30. So I'm doing shortcut. And now if you solve this, it will be multiplied by 2 because I want to make my denominator same. So 2 plus 1 will become what? 3. And this denominator will become common, 30. So 1 by V comes as 1 by 10. I do not want 1 by V. Please do not stop at this point. You lose your marks because you have reached almost destination पे आके छोड़ दिया your answer. So you have to do reciprocal. So V is equal to 10 with units. And my answer is positive. That means I am correct because in this case image is found on this side. Okay. So Aditya, I hope you got where you were wrong. Answer is 10 centimeter. And I think she also understood where you went wrong. I hope in next questions you won't go wrong. Let's go a step ahead. Okay, this question doesn't end here. I think they asked something more.
Nature of image.
Nature of image. So
Height is also there.
yes, they have given height in this question. So first nature of image, we will say what kind of image is it? Virtual. Okay. And whether it is inverted or not, we will have to solve that and then show it to them. Show it to them. They will not just, since this is numerical, everything has to be supported by a numerical value. Like why this is virtual? Because I have positive answer. By sign convention, it is behind the mirror, hence it is virtual. The height part, for that, we have just used one formula. There is another thing, something called magnification. And we all know what is magnification. When we say our image is magnified, that means अगर image इतना है तो magnify करोगे तो बड़ा हो जाएगा, right? So image की height इतनी है, so magnified image की height बड़ी होगी और diminished image की height क्या होगी? छोटी होगी. So in terms of height, let's say I don't know, this is my image height. So I told you height, object height is denoted by h. So this is my h, and image height is denoted by h dash. Okay. So magnification formula is how much times image is bigger than the object. H dash by h. Okay. It's not that difficult. Image is how much bigger than object. Okay. But then we know height of what? We know height of object, and they are asking us height of image. Why? If you're saying it's not given in the question, it is given in the question. They asked you to tell you about the nature of image. So you have to explain everything. Is image magnified or not? To know whether image is magnified or not, you will have to find h dash. Is this clear? What I'm trying to convey, is this clear to you? So what is the formula for this? Again, they are not, it is actually geometrically solved, and the relation that they have received is difficult, but it's not there in your syllabus, so let's not go. We directly have the formula. H dash by h, which is nothing but magnification, is minus v by u. V is image distance, u is object distance. In this case, h dash, we do not know what is height of object. 5 centimeter. What is image distance? You have found minus 10. In this case, I have got plus 10. My b is plus 10. So my b is plus 10. But in this formula, it is minus b. So minus this thing. What is my u? Plus 30 or minus?
Minus 30.
U is negative. So this negative gets cancelled. This is 1 by 3. And this looks like h dash by 5 is equal to 1 by 3. This 5 goes here. It becomes 5 by 3. And if I solve this, I will get 1 point what? 36.
Ma'am, 6 recurring, so 7.
Yeah. So I see that 1.6. So what is h dash? H dash is 1.6 because that is height of my wait, what? Yeah, that is height of my deck. And if you see this part, 1.6 is diminished because my object height was how much? 5 centimeter, and my image height is how much? 1.6 centimeter. And we all know in convex mirror, object and image, what is the relation? Image is always diminished. So object was 5. If you got your answer more than 5, then it is a cue that you are wrong somewhere. Okay, but I have got my answer as 1.6. So it is because height is smaller than the object. So object is diminished. Is this clear? Shall we move to some other question now and see if we can go right with that? Let me see one. If you can give me NCRT quickly. Good question from NCRT. NCRT if you have. Not have? Okay, leave it. Give me the project. Some other years question. There, page
47.
Okay. Page 47. Okay. We have 10 minutes left. Okay, this is written answer. It's quite difficult to the question that we have solved, and since we have 10 minutes, I think that you solve it correctly, and each one of the correct answer for this one. Page number 49, question 17. The question is with respect again convex mirror. I could not get anything with respect to convex mirror. Okay, take no. Don't solve question number 17. Solve question number 12, page 49. What is this? It's again complex. Solve question number 12. I can't. Vedant and Aditya, page 49, question 12.
Okay.
Take this. So it's the same mirror, so I'm not editing. Tell me B value, U value, and F value. First write and I'll take a look and then I'll put it over here. B value, F value, and U value. Yes? Now. You both have extra book, right? Can I make so that I see if there are some other interesting questions? You're calling me? You're back? Take this book. Take this. Let me solve this. Show me. Keep this with you. Part 26.
26.
Yeah, which is this question that we did. Show me the question. What was the question? Wait for it, right? Now, definitely. So, my goodness. Next. It's the same question. Calendar relation.
Ma'am, got the answer.
What's your answer?
Ma'am, plus 6 centimeter.
Okay. What's the okay in this case? What is my V value? Okay, I need to find V image location. What is my U value?
Minus 10 centimeter.
Minus 10. And what is my F? Plus 50. Again similar. 50. So 1 by V plus 1 by U plus is equal to 1 by F. And if you solve what's the value? I'm believing everybody gets 6 centimeter, right?
Yes.
Please check the ones who are not getting. Let me know because I want you to solve another interesting question which I found. Can you tell me the page number, please?
41.
Page 41.
26 question.
Question number 26. Solve the first part at least. Did everyone get 6 centimeter over here? Okay, the others can solve. And page 41. Yes.
No, ma'am, I was just asking a question.
Page 41, question 26. What's happening? What happened? You did not get the answer? Okay, this is very important question. I think it is different, so we should discuss. Can somebody over here read it for me? Page 41, question 26, please. And go slow so that we jot down the given information as you read questions. Anyone can read.
The image formed by a spherical mirror is real.
Okay.
Portrait is
Okay, one thing. The hint, image formed is what?
Real.
Real. In which case real is formed?
Concave.
Convex. Because convex mirror always forms virtual. So it cannot be. So my mirror is concave. What's the next information? Go ahead.
inverted and is of magnification -2.
So M is given. M is -2.
If the image is at a distance of 30 centimeter from the mirror,
Wait. Image distance.
yes, ma'am.
So B is how much?
Minus
30.
minus 30.
Yes, so image is 30 centimeter and I know if it is real image, then it has to be on this side. So my value is -30 centimeter. What else?
Where is the object placed?
Okay, so I need to find U.
Find the focal length of the mirror.
I need to find F.
List two characteristics of the image formed.
Okay,
Is move 10 centimeter towards the mirror.
okay. So is this clear? First thing, magnification is given. I know that certainly I cannot start with 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F because two of them are unknown, right? So I have to use some other formula and I have magnification. Let's see what was the magnification formula. Magnification is height of image upon height of object, and then this was equal to minus V by U. Okay, if I remove this because this is equal to this, that means then I have this value. Yes, I have this value. Yes, I can find U, right? Quickly tell me what is U in this case then. M is -2. It is equal to minus of -30. It is equal to U. U is nothing but 30 upon -2. What is my answer? What is my U? -15 centimeter. If I had got 15 plus 15 over here, I would have realized that I am going somewhere wrong above because object should always be negative because object is always on this side. So you should get minus sign with your answer. Is this clear what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got U value, you got B value. Please tell me what is F value then. And which formula will you use in this case? Okay. Aditya and Vedant, are you clear with this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Strange thing is I am getting somewhere or the other 15 number in all of those questions. And in next class, if you can bring NCRTs with you, yes, I would like you to solve certain questions from NCRTs as well. Yes, that. So F should be negative because this is concave mirror, so sign connection is correct. Okay, correct. The ones who are done, please let me know.
Ma'am, done.
How much is the value, Vedant, Aditya?
I got F as -10 centimeter.
-10. If minus is there, then yes, object is on this side. So, sorry, what was the focal length of also this mirror is negative, -10. Aditya, what is your answer?
-10.
Okay, good. That's correct. -10. -10. Good. What about you, beta? -10. Good. I'm not solving this. I hope you'll get this one because we are about time is over actually. So in next class, please bring NCRTs because certain question of them are important. And even if I get one, I don't want to read it out to make you understand those questions. And we are done with mirror part mostly. In next class, I'll take 1 or 2 questions, maybe give you test random questions like I asked her. Some questions like that, ask you to draw 1 or 2 red items, and then we'll move to refraction. Because I think we are almost done with mirrors part. Is this clear?
Yes.
Please go through reflection part completely right from all the mirror thing. You should remember this table by heart because I will catch anyone ask you, you should remember. Use the logic. I may give a minute for you to answer me, but you should be able to answer this. See you next class. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
If you allow now, so good. इधर की उधर की नहीं आ रहा है यार
कौन सा है तेरा
अरे चल ना भांजा की कर ले जो करना है
Wherever you want to sit down now. Okay. Homeworks are done. Arshita, homework is done. Why it is still going on now? Homework, what?
Yes.
How many sums are given the homework?
5.
1 to 5, 6 to 10.
5 to 10.
5 to done. Hell. Why? Huh? You should have seen your meeting on Sunina.
No, sir. Certificate is Monday and Saturday.
Today's the test is over now. What time you came back home? 4:30. Where do you stay? Oh, okay. Done. Today what test was there for you? History. That means every Monday you are not going to do the homework. You all done?
Yes, sir.
Ishmael is done?
Yes, sir.
You also done?
That will be last.
Last time you did not get the answer.
Then, no, I understood. 9 out of 10.
Janata homework is done. Ashita, homework is done. Where is Ashita?
Sir, you were asking some questions in the last class. I had taught in 9.
Ishita does the homework. Why? Ishita. Ishita will not. Why you not do the homework? Reason tell loudly speak. This is your motto. Huh? All in one. Why is everything in one book? You don't have a separate book. Why? Huh? You have to make a first day exercise. No, don't do this way. Use one match, not one separate one. And why did you do the homework? Reason. See, somewhere romance, somewhere physics, somewhere why it isn't banking is not. Ishita, are you doing this way? I told you parents then. Why the homework is not done? Ishita stand up. And Ashita I'm waiting for. Which school here? Time? Calendar revision test is there? When? Saturday, which Saturday onwards, when we start? Saturday. Going on.
Yes, sir.
Today what you
Physics and computer.
Saturday no homework is done. Tomorrow what homework is done? Test is there. This is something different. Where is the homework? Come fast. We also done. This girl has got some homework till now. Huh? Yeah, work is incomplete. How many sums you have done? Four sums you have done. Okay, what is your doubt? Tell me now.
Question number 10.
Question number 10 is the doubt.
Sir, can I do the next one? Last one exercise 12.
Yeah, sit down, sit down.
Thank you.
Question number 10. Hey, where is Samarth and all? Samarth, are you there? Swastika, homework is done.
Yes, sir.
Samarth, homework is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ishmi Singh, read the question number 10.
Given A is equals to X.
Hey, please, others, all of you be quiet. Okay, A is equal to?
A is equals to X such that minus 8 is less than 5X plus 2, which is less than equals to 17, and X belongs to integers.
5x plus less than or equal to 70.
So minus, yes.
Okay.
X
And,
belongs to integers.
okay, B.
P is equals to X such that minus 2 is less than equals to 7 plus 3X, which is less than 17, and X belongs to real numbers.
It's also 17. One is integers and other is real numbers.
Yes, sir.
What is the question being asked?
Where R is real numbers and I is integers represent A and B on two different number lines. Write down the elements of A intersection.
Yeah, first of all, you have to simplify this one. So first is coming as minus 8 less than 5x plus 2. Who is talking there? Subtract 2, minus 8 minus 2 less than. Minus 10 less than 5x less than or equal to 50. Divide by
Divided by 5.
divided by 5. So minus 2 less than x less than or equal to. So it's a solution that is coming as minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This much all of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Second one it is here. We subtract, that is minus 9 less than or equal to 3x less than 17 minus 7, that is equal to 10. Okay. Then next is coming as divide minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 10 by 3, 10 by 3, 3.3. This also is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, number line, this one representing a number line, all of you know?
Yes, sir.
This also representing a number line, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3, 1 by 3, all right, okay. Intersection. What? Then now, less than or this is equal to which side? Both the side is equal or which side is equal?
No, sir. One side is not equal. P,
Right side is equal.
no, sir. P does not have equal, less than equal to 17.
This one is correct or?
Yes, sir. That one is correct. P is minus 2 less than equals to 7 plus 3x.
Correct now? Question check, is it correct? Oh, sorry. Oh, this is second one you check, is it correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
This one also correct. Both of them less than or equal to what?
Minus 2 is less than equals to 7 plus 3x, which is less than 17.
This also is less than or equal.
Sir,
Okay,
that less than 17 it does not have equal to.
here.
Yes.
Okay. This is A. This is B. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the number line making, there is no problem. Okay. Now you have to find out the intersection. Intersection means the common between A and B. All of you sign the attendance sheet.
Yes, sir.
Now, next here, over here, check intersection -1, which is belongs to A. Is it -1 belongs to B?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 0 belongs to A. 0 belongs to B.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Say for A intersection B, same as A.
Yes, sir. So B is a superset of
A is a subset of B. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Because this is, be careful because one is integer set and other one is a real number set. Because after getting, maybe you must be having a problem of A intersection B only.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Other part may not be a problem. No? Okay. Done.
So this chapter then.
Is chapter done?
Yes, sir.
Is chapter done? Over the questions.
Sir, 3 questions are left.
We are done with
Homework.
that.
Still, how many questions are done?
10.
10 is done. How many questions are left out? 3 more. Listen, all of you.
So once again.
Sir, 10 is also not fully completed. to the 10th one.
Yeah, I am waiting for you to write this one. You make everything. You are not today. You are not doing any subs. First, you complete this one. And if you are giving chance, one question only. Okay.
Are you giving this content code?
Yes. Solution set. So directly I have given the solution set. A is -3 less than or equal to x less than 4. B is -1 less than x less than or equal to 7. You have to find out the all these intervals is enough. Once if interval, you can do it the number line. A union B, A intersection B, A dash intersection B, A intersection B dash, B minus A. All of you do this. Pratik completed this one? All of you are completed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it fast. Who is talking there? You followed? What is it? This is A and B. You have to find out all these 5 parts. Your name only, no? When I said name, somebody says name. If we think. A union B, A intersection B, A dash intersection B, A intersection B dash, B minus. Plus Q. Varun Kumar, doing the sum now?
Sir, we have to represent this one.
Just intervally find out. If you want to, with the help of number line, you have to do whichever way. I need just interval. If you know the interval number line, cease to know. Completed. What was that? Consider nothing.
So actually, I'm going to real numbers.
Real number in number line, no. Put number line in there. No, this one you cannot list out. Try not getting, tell me, because that's why this is the complicated part for the, you may find in this one. The remaining parts are not that simple. How many of you are doing or just simply sitting? 1, 2, 3, 4. You are doing the work now, don't waste the time. If nobody is getting, tell me. Let's complete.
So then,
Pratik. What is the replacement set for this one?
solutions.
What is the replacement set for A and B?
Sir, A minus 3.
A minus very good, smart. One block you get for me. I know everything, but whereas you know, then what 0 mark you'll get?
X belongs to real numbers.
Ah. Then you tell me. And real numbers you can count, no? Minus 3, minus 2. Huh?
Yes, sir, we can count.
Between two real numbers, how many real numbers are there? Then you go minus 3 and minus 2, you can count that way. 0 mark you'll get. This is a 4 mark sum. 4 parts only 4 marks. I tomorrow I want one extra. Understood? Not followed it. Look. No, I'm not doing that. If the replacement set is natural numbers, your solution set is what? 1. If the replacement set is the whole number, your solution set is what? 0, 1. Difference is in. If the replacement set is integer, minus 1, 0, 1. If the replacement is real numbers,
Minus
minus 1.
X subtract minus 1 less than equals to x
Less than 2, where x belongs to R. Understood or not? And you cannot count. That will be this number.
Sir, I done by mistake.
By mistakenly means mark also teacher will give. By mistakenly even 0. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So be careful. This is the those who have problems, that is why I have shown once again. This is nothing to do with this question. I am just showing different cases. Stand over. All of you put your pen down. Done means over. Then stop writing. Second is over. 5 seconds more I will give you.
9 to 0.
Now it's enough now. Kushakara, Mr. Tiwari. Okay, now stop writing and you people listen. You know what you mean by union?
Yes, sir.
Means
All
intersection. What do you mean by complement? Outside of that set belongs to the universal set. Okay, this much you remember. Those who have problem, unable to do, look here. I just draw a number line. There are 4 numbers are involved. Which are the 4 numbers involved? Minus 3. Minus 3 is included. Yes. Minus 1 is included. No. Then 4 is included. No. 7 is included. Yes. Now we will mark A. A is in the which part? Minus 3 to minus 3. And B. And I mark colors are there. Okay now? Yes, sir. Listen carefully. A union B, everything. Minus 3 is included. So till here means nothing to look till here. So A union B is what? This one. Minus 3 less than or equal to x. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Doubt? Tell. Union from starting till here, everything. Intersection. What is the meaning of intersection? Common. Look here, this part is not common. This is the common region.
Minus 1.
Now, is it minus 1 is in the common region? No. Minus 1 belongs to A. This is A. Minus 1 does not belong to B. So 4 is in B, whereas 4 is not. Therefore, A intersection B. Second one it is coming as minus 1 less than x less than 4. Okay. Third one. A dash intersection B. means common between B and outside of this one. Outside of this one means this is not in B, so you don't need to do this part. So this is outside of this one. Outside of A dash is this one. So now look outside. This is an this one. So 4 is A dash. 4 is in A dash. 4 is in B also. So 7 also. So answer is 4 less than or equal to less than or equal to 7. That is same as last one.
But why did we write less than equals to? 4 is less than equals to x.
4 is why less than equal to here?
Yes. Right.
4 is in A. Yes or no?
Yes.
No. 4 is not in A.
4 is not included.
4 is not in A. So 4 is in B. A dash. 4 is already in B. So it is in intersection. Are you followed?
Yes. Yes, sir.
7 is in both A and B.
No, sir, I understood that, but why did you put less than equals to?
This one.
Yes.
That's why you know intersection. So 4 is in both A dash and B now.
Why can't we write 4 is less than x, which is less than equals to?
Are they 4? What is the meaning of intersection? Common. 4 is common with both A dash and B.
Yes.
So 4 should include now. 4 is in A dash as well as 4 is in B. Therefore 4 is in A dash intersection B. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So had it been if it is 4 is in A, it will not be in A dash.
Yes.
Okay. Now next is what is it? A intersection B dash. This is A. B dash means outside. So this side you don't need to see it because there is no A. This side. So from here. Now check. -3 is in A and -3 is in B dash. So -3 is included in both sides. -1 in A it is there. Is it -1 is in B dash?
Yes.
Yes, because -1 is not in B. Therefore, x less than equal to -1. Okay, this is the one. It's all done. Now, next is B minus A. From B, A removed. So this is the region. Same force less than or equal to x. Yes. Understood or not?
Yes.
Now, these two, if you are confusion, last class I had given the property. A dash intersection B same as B minus A. So the same. This is same as A minus B. So you can take that. Okay. Check the steps. Check how many of you. I don't need to raise the hands and all. Check how many of you made mistakes. If you got all the answers, okay. Check. This is the way. This number line is not correct.
Do it correct, but the way of doing was wrong.
That because you will not get any mark over there. See, you wrote this one. Here it's over. After that, if you are going to write 4, 5, 6, 7 means mark is gone. No step marking. They will give okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If this is wrong, 0. Okay, so that's why be careful. That's why I asked you immediately. What is the replacement set? Replacement set is real numbers means you cannot list out the numbers. Okay, all other cases you can list out. All numbers, integers, natural numbers, rational but not. Okay, now. Any other doubts? Okay, this area is the little be careful. Okay, let's come to the exercise now. Done. Exercise. There are 3 questions. Then let's finish it up. Homework can be don't worry.
Sir, only 3 questions.
Quickly, let's take 5 minutes complete now. Question number 10 is done.
10 not completely done.
Then what is not done?
Sir, in the next page there are some questions. Sir, before 11 there are some questions.
This one you this now we did now. Okay. Check. Write the A and B in the set builder notation. You got it now. What is A? One of you.
Minus
10 questions. Yes, I will answer. You. What is A? 10 questions. Last one 10. Do you only? A is what? Okay. -2 less than or equal to now. -2 less than or equal to x less than 5. You B.
So the set builder
That will be come.
so x question x belongs to real numbers. -4 is less than equal to x less than 3.
Less than 3. Swastika is there. swastika?
Yes, sir.
Tell the what is A intersection B? Look at the number line and quickly respond.
Sir, which question?
Exercise
Sir, I was solving further, so I didn't realize.
10. This one first exercise 4.1 question number 10. Did you get? Samarthi took the question. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
A intersection B.
A intersection B. Quickly.
Sir, X is greater than and equal to 2.
How 2 is
Equal
coming?
to minus 2, sorry, minus 2.
Why minus greater than minus 2 less than or equal to x and less than 3.
Yes, and less than 3.
Yes, you did not tell now. Be careful. Okay, next one. Who will tell the just Ishmeet? Yes. A intersection B dash.
B minus A.
A intersection B dash is B minus A or A minus A? A minus. See, think it. Number lines are there. Tell fast. A minus.
3 less than equals to X, which is less than 5.
3 less than or equal to x less than 5. All of you got it? Yes or no? Kansha, followed? Anyone having a doubt of that question? Followed now? You can represent the number line also. Okay. Question number, that is the question number 10. 11th one. Okay. P is the solution set. Come in. Fast. Take the pen. 7x minus 2 greater than 4x plus 1. 7x minus 2 greater than 4x plus 1. Solve. 4x plus 1. No, bigger right. X greater than 1. Second one. Right. 9x minus 45. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. 5 times x minus 5. Bracket x minus 5. Changing out. X greater than or equal to 5. All of you got the solution? Yes, how many of you got the solution? Same thing. Okay. Tell me what is this first one is above you write P, capital P. Above you write capital P. Here you write Q, capital Q. Okay. So P intersection Q you write. I don't know if you go where. You are asking the question. Next time you don't, I will do the question. You will not do. Okay. Tell the answer. 10 seconds. 15 seconds. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7, 6.
Sir, X belongs to a natural number.
4, 3, 2, 1. Lost. Give the pen. Bye bye. You're not correct only. Then why did you wrap it?
Sir, I was not sure.
Greater than 1 means what? The right side of 1. Greater than or equal to 5. Right side of 5. What is the common region? If you don't have a problem, just see this one. 1, 5. Okay. This is not, sorry, this is not included, this is included. Which is the common region? This is going this side, this is also going this side. So this is the common region now. So
Sir, I was writing.
then
X is
who
greater
I
than equal to 7.
so it's correct to Linga.
Sir, I was not sure.
So that is the problem. So it will come as X such that X belongs to R and X greater than or equal to 5. Number line 5 to infinity. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Next one. Here. Tell me what is P minus Q. P minus Q. Pratik, do it in your book.
Yes, sir.
P minus Q. Tell. Fast. I'm waiting for you.
P minus Q.
Don't waste my time. Not able to. You don't look at the book. You have to find from here what is P minus Q. P and Q, you got it. No. Loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4 is wrong. Replacement set is what?
So X belongs to real.
X belongs to real number, complete real number. P minus Q.
Sir, X is
But real, how it is? P is from here now. P start from here going there. Q is from here. What is P minus Q? You know what is the meaning of P minus Q?
Yes,
Is it real number? P minus Q means what? Elements belong to P but does not belong to Q. 1 less than
X, which is less than 5.
yes.
Yes.
1 less than X less than 5. That is P minus Q. Are you followed, Akansha?
Yes.
Was still real number problem? No. Okay, see this one. P minus Q is on. Okay, that is P minus Q. Nehal. P intersection Q dash. Who's it?
Sir, it-
Correct.
sir was confusing.
Understood? What is that? P intersection Q dash is same as P minus Q. Okay. Number line you have to represent. Should I represent it on the number line? Yes. 1 less. This is P minus Q as well as P intersection Q dash. Okay. Yeah. That is a question number. This was question number 11, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 12th one. Question number 12.
Sir, can I do?
All. You stand over there. I said that doing your notebook.
Sir, I am having pleasure for.
Your pleasure, I think. Do in your book. You do fast. I'm waiting for the solution from everyone. Question number 12. Find the range values of X satisfy different replacement sets are given. Arshita, what is happening? Sleeping out. I'll do fast now. I'll make you to do the board. Do fast. What happens today? Done. You want to remove LCM, you can multiply throughout by 3 and 3. 3
It's -4
minus 1 by 3. Use this one. Kushagra, read the question.
Yes, sir. Find the range of values of X
will satisfy minus 1 by 3 less than equal to x by 2 plus 1 2 by 3, which is less
1
than
2 by 3.
1 2 by 3, which is less than 5 1 by 6.
5 1 by 6. 31 by. Different ways you can do fraction removing means just directly what you have to do LCM multiply. Positive 6 multiply. Positive 6 multiply means 6 into minus 1 by 3 is minus 2. Less than or equal to 3x plus 10 less than 31. Reason it is multiplying by 6. Now shift and then subtract 10. Minus 2 less minus 3x less than 31 minus 10. Minus 12 less than or equal to 3x less than 20. Divide by 3. Minus 12 by 3. That is minus 4 less than or equal to x less than 7. All of you got this one?
Yes, sir.
This is the main part. Which step? This one, this step we have followed, converted into proper fraction. Okay.
That is not followed.
Listen, those are not followed. This one. Now check the denominators. It was 3, 2, 3, and 6. Its LCM is 6. I multiplied throughout by 6. 6 into minus 1 by 3 is minus 2. 6 into x by 2 is 2, 3x. 6 into 5 by 3 cancel and 5 2s are. 31 into by 6 into 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Subtract 10 from throughout. Minus 2 minus 10. Minus 10. Okay. Then minus 12 less than 3x less than 21. Dividing. Understood? All of you. First is what is the first replacement set? X belongs to solution. Give me x belongs to W. Look and tell the solution. You did not write this one? Huh? Rod. Then solution give me na. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next one. Hey, next man. What is the second set? X belongs to
Integer.
Okay, tell the solution set. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the next one here.
X
You
belongs to real.
X belongs to R. Solution. Huh? Real numbers you can count that way. Real numbers, can you count that way? Real numbers cannot be counted now. So that is such builder form.
Sir, can I tell
X such that X belongs to R and will stay in the minus. Are you followed? Okay, be careful. Are you following? Doubt? Check the steps. All of you. Follow now. This is the and you have to represent on the number language. You have to draw number line. Now it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Talking, asking and talking is same thing. Next question. Read loudly.
And the three consecutive largest positive numbers such that sum of 1/3 of the first, 1/4 of the second, and 1/5 of the third is almost 20.
Or is it almost 20 or at most 20? At most 20. All of it before going 2, 3 things I have to tell. Consecutive integers, do you know how to take? Consecutive integers. 3 consecutive integers means x plus 1, x plus 2. Even means add 2 each. X plus 2, x plus 4. Odd also is add. Okay, positive integers. Now, at most means what?
Round off.
At most.
Can be equal to 20 or can be less than
At
20.
most is, listen here. At most means maximum. At least means what? Minimum. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
At most, I will get at most 15 marks. Means my maximum mark is 15. I cannot get more than 15 marks. It can be 15, 14, etc. till 0 also is called at most. I will get at least 20 marks. Means my minimum mark is 20 till onwards till the maximum mark. Okay. Now, two symbols I am going to write here. These two symbols you need to convert into, don't need to shout, those who know raise their hand. Convert into at least, at most. At least, at most. These two symbols convert into at least, at most. Those who forgot it, if you got the answer, I'm going to ask. There are 3-4 people raise their hand.
Combine that, right?
No combine. One of them is at least and one of them is at most. Okay. Shri, first one. At most what? 6. At most 6. Less than or equal to 6 means it is maximum value is equal to 6. Second value is what? At least. Are you followed?
Yes.
Remember these two. Okay, because you have to be very, why I am telling means, if you interchange means then your solution is entirely different thing will be. Opposite side answer will be. Okay, that is why. So this is clear all of you. Now 3 consecutive numbers. You have taken 3, let the 3 consecutive numbers are right. X plus 1, X plus 2. Written. Then sum of what all things? What is the first one?
So 1/3 of the first one.
1/3 of the first one, X by 3. Then
1/4 of the second.
X plus 1 divided by 4.
And 1/5 of the third.
1/5 of X plus 2 divided by 5 is
Less than equal to 20.
at least 20, isn't it? Or at most 20.
Correct.
At most 20 means less than or equal to 20. 1/3 of the first one means 1 by 3 X is called X by 3. 1/4 of the second one, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
1/4 of the second one is X plus 1 by 4. Okay, now you have to solve it.
So it's coming in this.
You solve it. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this page solution. All of you do this page. All of you followed. First statement you wrote. Let the 3 consecutive integers are X plus 1, X plus 2. One way is take the LCM and multiply. What is the LCM of 3, 4, and 5? 60. Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay, then 60 multiply throughout, so that fraction will be gone. Simplify. Quietly do it. So 60 you are multiplying throughout. 60 into X by 3 is 20X. This is 15 times X plus 1. This is 12 times X plus 2. Less than or equal to 20. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Wrong. 60 into 20. 1200. Isn't it? Then don't forget that multiplication. Okay. Then open the bracket. 20x plus 15x plus 15 plus 12x plus 24 less than or equal to 1200.
Yes.
35 plus 12 is 47x less than or equal to 1161.
Yes, sir.
24. So x less than or equal to 1161 upon 47. X less than or equal to 24 and what is it? X fraction? What is it? Divide and see. Only one person do and others wait.
So 33.
Who has done? All of you divide.
47.
Mentally. I'll write one number, you will divide and show. One second to leave it. You tell. Division right?
24 and 33 by
24 and 33 divided by 47. Okay, you got that? Pratik got the answer?
Yes,
sir.
Can be less than.
Now listen, now if you followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to find out what is the question. Read Kushagra.
Sir, find the three consecutive largest positive
Stop.
integers.
Consecutive largest positive integer. So what is the largest positive integer over here? 24. X value is less than or equal to 24, 30. So this is not an integer. So which is the largest integer in this one? Therefore X is equal to 24. Therefore the numbers are 24, 24 plus 1, 24 plus 2. These are the three numbers. And you followed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Situation is clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having a problem?
No, sir.
They are learning following. Is Shilta following or not? Ashilta. Shilta, what happened? All okay? Sorry, Ashilta, what happened? All fine now? I think Mummy shouted you. You shouted for me?
Yes, sir.
That happened, na? Chalo, done? Any problem?
No, sir.
Sure.
Sure. So matrices की quadratic. Please finish quadratic. We have
Quadratic is the test paper, na?
quadratic is the chapter test.
Test paper, na? Okay, when is the test paper? Where? School.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you do? What's the time? Wednesday onward starting. The next class we will start with our quadratic equation number.
Sir, the next class is on here.
How many chapters are there for you?
Only one.
Only quadratic.
Right.
10 marks.
Where it was done? These all chapters are not done.
Sir, quadratic. After quadratic, we have started.
Linear is done now. The remaining
GST is not
chapters
done.
is starting.
GST was done.
No, GST is not yet.
Writing is done.
Yes. GST is the second one.
Yes, sir.
GST shifted to the second.
Sir, they are not giving banking. They are only giving quadratic.
Try to, because the quadratic will not be, because it needed at least 5-6 lectures. Because factorization and all, it will take time. Okay.
Minus would be square minus 4 is
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
you will be the next time.
Sir, he'll do quadratic. He'll teach quadratic.
Okay, now. All of you take the page number 13. Page number 13. Taken? I'll tell the question. All of you taken? Okay, question numbers. Question numbers 5, 9, 12. Yes, now. Question numbers 5, 9, 12. All of you seen the questions now? 2 minutes for one question. 2 plus 2, 2, 4, 6. All of you now, there is no discussions, no talking. Question numbers 5, 9, 12. Solve. Still people are talking. Hello. Writing question in a cross your mouth. Still do you think it's online is going on? So
In online, I did not try to be.
According to shala.com.
Yes. Comment is.
Time for one question is over.
Yes, sir.
Sri, are you doing? Do it fast. What was that? What happened? By discussion, why you did it? Last 2 minutes. You think you are the only one that can? Then be quiet. Particularly All completed.
Last question.
Sir, last question.
Done. Number line. Right. Number line. Question was what? Numbers are not number line. All are completed now. One. Online. Swastika done.
Sir.
All three done. Samat.
Yes, sir.
Your time over now. Okay. Paritosh. First question, sir. Fifth question, read. Read fast. Huh?
Solve the equation and represent the following on the minus 3 plus x is less than equal to 8x by 3 plus 2 less than equal to 14 by 3 plus 2x.
14 by 3 plus 2x. Question written is correct. So it is coming as, if you want now, minus 3 plus x less than or equal to 8x. 8x by 3 now.
8x by
Plus 2. And 8x by 3 plus 2 less than or equal to 14 by 3 plus 2x. Okay, then it is coming as, how much you will convert over here? Minus 3 minus 2 less than or equal to 8x by 3 minus x. Minus 5 less than or equal to 5x by 3. That is coming as minus 3 less than or equal to x multiplied. So it is coming, the next one it is coming as 8x by 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 14 by 3 minus 2. That is 8 minus 6 is 2x by 3 less than or equal to 14 minus 6, 8 by 3. That is x less than or equal to 4. Therefore, you got the minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the solution replacement set is there.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Belongs to integers.
Integers means minus 3 to 4. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, second one. Kansha, read the question by question now.
Yes, sir. So the following equation at the solution side I represent on the number line. Minus x by 3 is less than equal to x by 2 minus 1. 1 by 3.
Huh?
1
1 by 3. Okay.
Less than 1 by 6. X belongs to the other.
Less than 1 by 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here also you'll get as minus x by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 minus 4 by 3. So that is 4 by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 plus x by 3. That is less than or equal to 5x by 6. That is cross multiply. It is coming as how much will come as over here? 8. 8 by 5 now. Less than or equal to x. This is coming as x by 2 minus 4 by 3 less than 1 by 6. So x by 2 less than 1 by 6 plus 4 by 3. X by 2 less than. So it is coming as how much? 9 by 6. Okay, 9 by 6. That is x less than x less than 3. Therefore, you will get as 8 by 5 less than or equal to x less than 3. What all of you this answer? Yes, sir. Same thing only got it now. Okay, third one you are getting?
Yes, sir.
What is the question, Risa? Shakra?
So the question, solve the following inequation, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. -3 bracket x minus 7 greater than equal to 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3.
What's the answer you got?
So I got -1 by 2
-1, 1 by 2.
less than equal to x less than 2.
Less than 2. Same answer all of you got?
Yes, sir. For the question number 9, the answer behind given in the volume is.
Only 18 fifth का 6 में दिया था 9 का 10.
अच्छा ऐसे है क्या?
8 by 5, all of you got, you all got the same answer now? Same answer only got now?
Yes.
Okay, we are through with the inequalities. So we are 3 chapters are completed.
Yes, sir. Yes.
बहुत जल्दी देखो.
So test paper is there on Sunday.
This is a banking.
Banking.
Sir, this.
उधर 24 को है.
You got this Sunday?
So
Okay.
on Sunday there's also an iron. What is it?
Now look here. Here homework exercise completed. There 1 or 2 questions more are there, and even previous board questions till number 5 you do. Okay, Pratik, all of you all got the homework now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete the homework. It says I think 2 questions only. And the previous board questions you have to do till question 5. Then okay, then okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
राशि मान
Thank you.